Hi, this is Tim Yoder with Fit Small Business. Today I will be evaluating Sage Business Cloud Accounting for Chapter 6 of the Fit Small Business case study, which deals with project accounting. So the first task is to prepare an estimate for a job titled Family Bowling Kitchen Remodel. So I've gone to the Sales tab here and Quotes and Estimates. So let's create a new estimate. And this is the customer is Family Bowling. Okay, and so the now we want to make sure we can assign this to a project. So when we record an invoice, at the end of this product service line, there's generally like these three little dots that we can click, and then we can assign that invoice to the class, location, and project that we're working on. So when we do an estimate, it's not allowing us to assign that estimate to a particular project. That's not ideal. But let's go ahead and create the estimate anyway, even though we can't assign it to a project called Kitchen Remodel. So we want to do 10 hours of contract labor. Good, and it's automatically coming up with the $80 per hour. 10 plumbing widgets. Okay, and on the plumbing widgets, we need to charge our 6% sales tax. Okay, there we go. So here is our estimate. And that's actually pretty cool. So this shows us our profit. That's kind of neat. So the profit would be, so remember we're paying $80 an hour. I'm sorry, we're paying $30 an hour for contract labor, but we're charging $80. So we make $50 an hour times 10. So that's $500 of profit. And we make, we sell widgets for 25. We only pay, I think, 10. So that's 15 times 10 units is 150. So that's our $650 of profit. So that's kind of neat. The estimate shows us our profit right there. Very good. Okay. So let's go ahead and save this. Okay, now we want to go ahead and pay Hank $30 per hour for the 12 hours to complete the project. Okay. So Hank Independent. For contract labor. Okay, and we want to pay him 12 hours. Very good. Hit save. Oh no, let's go back to that. We need to assign it to the project. So let's edit it. Okay, and so we're going to assign it to plumbing, New York, and our project is going to be the, we should have created one, the Family Bowling Kitchen Remodel, but we're just going to assign it to project 2. Okay, and there we go. So we can assign the payment of the contract labor to the project. On 222, record the usage of 8 widgets from inventory to complete the project. So that will have to be on the invoice. And then we want to print a comparison of actual to estimated. Okay, so now what we want to do is to create an invoice. So let's go back to our quotes and estimates. Okay, and let's open this. Now let's create an invoice. Okay, our contract labor was actually 12. Our plumbing widgets were actually 8. Okay, and so this will be that, and then we can actually assign this to our classes, location, and project, and save it. Okay, there we go. Now, the last thing I'd like us to do is print a report comparing the actual to the estimated expenses for the kitchen remodel project. We're not going to be able to do that because the quote was not, we were never able to assign the quote to the project. So when we look at the project information, the quote information is not going to be there. So let's look at reporting. Let's see what information by project is even available. Yeah, they really don't even give us any project reports, do they? Okay. So let's go to our scorecard here. So for Sage Business Cloud, we were able to create an estimate, but we couldn't assign that estimate to a project. We could add labor to it, we could add inventory to it, we could add sales tax to it. We were able to assign the actual labor to the project, and we could assign the actual inventory to the project, but we couldn't compare actual to estimated, again, because we can't assign the estimate to a project. So that is the Project Accounting, Chapter 6, Fit Small Business for Sage Business Cloud Accounting.